Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different kind of video. So, I was on the Macintosh repository looking for some iBook G3 software for my Tangerine clamshell right here, and found the original disk, the one that would be for this computer because I have a 300 megahertz. And so let's install that on my clamshell. It's actually this one. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna get to downloading this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's finished downloading. So now you can see it's right there. So I'm going to right-click on that and burn disk image. It's weird. I will figure that out and be right back. Okay, the disk finished. So now I'm going to power it on. Press Option. So I can eject the disk. Well, the disk drive. Now I can do that. Wait. Oh, right. Doi. It's really hard to press. I also don't really want to break the CD drive door, so I'm gonna set this down for a moment so that I can support the drive door with my hand and not have it break off, because that would not be so great. Okay, I can hear that loading up, and we'll refresh that, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so now we're booted up into the CD. Well, I missed fully. Okay, I don't know why I opened that. Okay, software restore. Really like this Tangerine. It's in pretty good condition other than that, but that's really common, so. Okay, so we want to erase. Yep. Yep, and restore. There we go. And I'll come back to you when it's done. Oh, yes. Fine. Okay. Seems to be done now. I had to plug in my charger. It was getting a little low. The battery, I mean. Okay. So. Close, special, restart. And this is the first boot up. And we should hopefully get the intro. But yeah, this thing's in really good shape, you can see. It's just that. I wonder if the clock stays right. Yep, it does. Cool. Except it's actually 7:43 because today was the daylight savings, whatever. It's interesting. Here we go. I love how it just can't handle it, just keeps pausing. Like, wouldn't that kind of scare you if you just bought a computer? The intro music just keeps randomly pausing. Nice, okay, so yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute. And there we go, so that's finishing up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, the next one will be on my LCD eMac over there, and the Mac Mini build inside of it. So yeah, stay tuned.